Okay guys, Chad Johnson, Johnson Smokers here again. I'll do a little short video. I need to put this on my website, but it's easier for me to do it on the video section. I want to go over one thing that's kind of missed a lot with vertical towers on people's smokers being built. This is a 30-inch pipe smoker, 24-inch pipe vertical. It doesn't matter with me if it's my smallest smoker or the biggest smoker on the other side over here a little ways, but key thing on the vertical smoker, so it is reverse flow. Firebox, heat goes through the tube system, comes back around, goes inside of goes out the stacks, or goes through a open and closable vent that connects the main chamber to the vertical. Okay, that's usually where most builders stop, I guess is what I'm going to say. What that means is you're going to fire this pit up and run this, say 250 for example. When you do that, you're obviously, if you keep this vent closed, this is just going to be a warmer. If you open that flapper vent up that connects here to here, then that's going to mean this is going to be a slow smoker. Typically, let's just say you're running 225, 250 here. This is probably going to be like 175. But I kind of call that a slave unit, this guy right here. What I mean is, if the temperature here is kind of controlled by the temperature here. If you heat this smoker up, that means more heat, subject can kind of coming in here, and that'll make this go up as well, right? So I kind of call it a slave unit. A lot of builders out there stop right there. It's not always the best way to do things though. We have a direct vent that's infinitely adjustable. I'll show a picture in just a second. It's a vent that connects the firebox straight up to the vertical tower. It's got a flat plate on top, and you can just slowly crack that open or shut it. So what you want to do is you'll fire this pit up, set this temperature first. If you're using this as a warmer, everything's shut, no big deal. All right, let's just say you're going to smoke. You're going to flip this vent open right here, let the heat and smoke come inside the vertical, come back up. Maybe you're looking at that 175. If you want more heat than that, then you're going to pop this door open, this vent that's down here in the bottom. You're going to slowly crack that open. Crack it open about a quarter inch at a time, shut the door, and it'll just start slowly creeping that temp. The key thing is here, guys, if you can set this temperature on 250, you can come over here. If it's sitting on 175, start opening this vent, and you'll run this chamber on up to whatever temperature you want. And when I say whatever temperature you want, if you open this vent all the way, you're literally cooking pizzas in here. I've got a guy somewhere up the road up here that called me a while back, and he switched the gauge. He's got a 1,000-degree gauge. You can cook 250 in here. You can open that vent all the way up. You can go 200, 250, 300, 325, 400, 500, whatever you want. This guy's running way up close to 700, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. He's got pizza stones in there cooking pizzas. So I just want to make this video because I don't have it on my website in the verbiage down there in the write-ups. And a lot of people don't realize it, but it does make this unit not a slave unit no more. It is very flexible. So it doesn't matter what temperature you run here. You can set the temperature there, whatever you want. You come over here, use the two ventilation points to set the temperature here to exactly what you want. So this can run hotter than here if you want to. I just want to do a short video. This smoker's been sitting here just a little bit. It needs to be oiled, but I can do a little quick, this video don't turn off. Come back over here, see my normal vent, it's open right now. All right, you can open and shut that one. Then just creep up here. Like I say, this guy needs to be oiled. Vent sitting right there. That vent is infinitely adjustable to open and shut. So at the end of the day, sorry about the turning on the videos, guys. End of the day, you can run whatever temperature you want here, turn around, run whatever temperature you want right there. A lot of guys don't do that, guys. So when y'all start researching smokers and whatnot, keep in mind this guy's very flexible the way we do our vertical towers. It's not just a one-trick pony. Okay, Chad Johnson with Johnson Smokers. Thank you, guys.